this video, you can learn what favicons are and how to set them up in your WordPress site. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the little bell icon to get notified when new videos are added. A favicon is a small iconic logo or brand image that represents your website. You may have seen it on bookmarks, bars, or your browser tab for most sites like Facebook or YouTube or Twitter. It is the best possible brand impression creator for your business. So let's see how to set it up in a WordPress site in two ways. So let's get started with the first method. In your WordPress dashboard, click Appearance tab and next you need to click Customize tab. Next, select Site Identity tab. Here under Site Icon section, click Select Image button and upload a JPEG or PNG format image that is larger than 512x in height and width and publish to save changes in your WordPress site. You can see now your logo or brand will be visible to anyone who visits this site. Second method, installing a favicon plugin. Use the second method if your theme does not support the first method. You can search for favicons in WordPress plugin page and install favicon by Real Favicon Generator. Next, under Appearance tab, click Favicon. You can upload a square image with width and height of at least 260 pixels. Once you click Generate Favicon button, you will be redirected to an online favicon generator website. When done, click this button where the customization and configuration will take place, which will take you to your site back and you are done setting. With this, we come to the end of this video tutorial. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the little bell icon to get notified when new videos are added. Thank you.